These cycling POV videos are going viral on Instagram. This Instagram page has hit 2.2 million views, and his videos are getting hundreds of thousands of views. His videos have hit 24 and 8 million views. But he's making one big mistake by uploading them to Instagram and not YouTube. On YouTube, one 24 million views video can make $12,000. I'll highly recommend getting a monetized account from Monetized Assets. They sell 100% organic accounts, and you can start earning from day one. Here's what I've created. In the description, you'll find this master prompt. Copy it from start to end. Open ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. Paste the master prompt and hit generate. It will give you 10 unique ideas to pick from. Pick one and enter the idea. It will give you the image prompt and video prompt. For generation, we have two options. The first option is OpenArt. Go to Image, and you'll find all the top models in it. The second option is Flow, where only Nano Banana is available. Go back and copy the image prompt, paste it into Flow. Switch to 916 and Nano Banana 2. Hit Generate, and you'll get a perfect image. Go back and copy the video prompt. In OpenArt, go to Video. In Models, all the top models are there, but you have to pick Kling 3.0. Upload the image that we generated and paste the video prompt. You can generate up to 4K resolution. Hit Generate. Meanwhile, let's generate the same video using Flow. Here, only VO3 is available as a model. Enter the prompt and hit Generate. OpenArt's video is generated. Flow's video is generated. It's up to you to pick one, but you should definitely get a monetized account to boost your business.